Hi, I'm Lauren from LSP Actions. Beautiful image here up on my screen by Anna Brandt. I've been asked, can Evoto do editing in one click? Yes, it can if you've got the LSP Actions Newborn Presets or even recorded your own. These presets are designed to work with all newborn images. So let's see, can we edit this newborn picture in one click in 1 second? Here's the Lemon Sky All preset. I'm just going to click this one. And we're done. So before, after, before and after. That's a pretty perfect edit to me. Always in Evoto, zoom in and check areas such as fingernails, eyebrows, body marks such as umbilical cords, any areas like that, just to make sure that Evoto hasn't got it wrong, because it is an AI. It's not like in Photoshop, which is still of course the gold standard because you do everything manually in Photoshop. But for an AI software, Evoto is going to save you a ton of time. Before, after, that's one click using the Lemon Sky All preset. You can check out the other tutorials on the LSP Actions website or YouTube. You can patch this manually, come into Photoshop, do what you need to do, but for one click, pretty amazing. Hope you love these. I'm Lauren. Thanks for watching.